Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install it Grammarly for MS Word for free. So guys, if you want to download and install it Grammarly for MS Word for free, very easy. Firstly open any Chrome browser, type here grammarly.com. Click on enter. After click on Grammarly official site. After click on add Chrome. Add your email address, password and name. If you want to connect Google, so click it Google. As you like, if you want to open Google Docs, Messenger, Yahoo, Gmail, as you like. After click on apps, click on Grammarly for Microsoft Office installer. Click on install. Click on save. Opening Grammarly. Click on get started. And if you went to Microsoft Word, so check this box. Click on install. After click on congratulations, you installed Grammarly. Click on finish. Open MS Word. Now here icon open Grammarly, so click it. So guys, this is very simple. And easy method if you want to download and install it Grammarly for MS Word for free. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.